Welcome to another meditation where we are pursuing the goal or letting the goal happen of the space between our thoughts to broaden. With this meditation, I invite you to pick a word, any word. When I ask that question, what was the word that popped into your mind? It could be anything. It could be couch, chair, cat, dog, hair, flower. Whatever the word is, it doesn't matter. I just want you to choose a word that popped into your mind immediately, that we really don't have any attachment or strong meaning to. We want it to be a focus point, just a way of bringing back our mind as it runs away with its thoughts back to center. So with this meditation, you're going to relax, and as you breathe in and out and your thoughts start to come in, because they will, you're going to gently let that thought go and put your attention back onto the word you've chosen. And you're just going to keep going over that process, running with your thoughts, remembering that you're running with your thoughts, and then gently coming back to that word and just repeating that word in your mind until your focus gets taken away from you again, and then you remember and you'll come back to it. So be super gentle with yourself. This is all a practice, and this is all building momentum to allow you to have more space between your thoughts. So take a deep breath in. Think about that word you've chosen, and take a breath out, letting all stress and worry and anything that was happening before you sat down or laid down to start this meditation. And take another breath in and out, and continue on listening to the music and going back to your word.